Welcome back, beloveds. We're back in the kitchen with the Wilson family. Today, we are going to be making the Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger. Actually, we're going to be making a Beyond Cheeseburger. This is a plant-based, 35% less fat, and 20 grams of protein. So, as you can see, I'm taking the package off. All the ingredients are on that package, as well as how to cook it. But I'm going to show you how to pull it together as well. And as you can see, the patties sort of look like meat. However, there is a little difference, but the taste and the flavor, you don't even know that you're not eating meat. So let's go ahead, pull up your chair, and get ready to see how I pull together this delicious burger. Okay, beloved, so after we have it all seasoned up, we're going to go ahead and sit it aside. I set mine aside for about an hour, and then we're going to go ahead and put them in the pan. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. Now, what we have here, we're going to go ahead. We have the oil in the pan already, and I've already let these sit up and marinate for about, I guess it's been about an hour. So we're going to go ahead and get those cooked up really, really nice. And then we're going to add vegan cheese on it, or dairy-free cheese. All right, let's go ahead and flip them. And we're going to let the other side do the very same thing. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in some onions and let those cook up. So now I'm going to, hold on, turn this on. Okay, so now we're going to add some provolone dairy-free cheese on here. And I'm going to put one on this side. Put this over there. Guys, we are back. And let's go ahead and get this baby plated up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Beyond Burger. And then we're going to go ahead and dress it up. So first off, I'm going to put some lettuce on. Actually, it's bok choy. So we're going to go ahead and layer it with some good old bok choy. Just like that. Let's go ahead and add some jalapenos. Now this is optional. You put on what you like, okay? This is what I'm going to do just to spruce it up a little, okay? Put a couple of these on here. And that's about enough. Pickles. And add a couple pickles on. I think I'm just going to do just about 2 pickles. Should do us fine, okay? Set that aside. Then we're going to grab our yummy, look at that. Those yummy fried onions or grilled onions, whatever you want to call them. So now we're going to go ahead and on this side, we're going to go ahead and add our mustard. And then we're going to add our ketchup. Okay? Boom. Just like that. Okay? There we go. You have yourself a nice Beyond burger. Let me let y'all get a good look at that. So there you have it, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? O-M to the G. Look at that. Good old fries. We're going to go ahead and add some delicious mozzarella sticks. There you have it, guys. Take out anyone? Okay, guys, let me get on up off of here. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my meal. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't tried it, try those Beyond Burgers, baby. They are bussin', okay? I promise you. You can add whatever toppings you want on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Should put some bacon on here. And it's dripping. It's so good.